Hi, this is Charlie again. Let me have a quick summary of today's market action. As you all know, today the US stock market has gapped up a lot since early morning. And Nasdaq, you see Nasdaq is here. Can you come close to the screen? Okay, you see Nasdaq is over here now. Okay. There's a gap up here. After 2 days green, the third day Nasdaq is green. It's all above the 21 days and the 10 days moving average. It's a good sign. If today market can close as it, and we will have more updates, as I say. And similarly, today earlier Nasdaq has been the leader of the market, but later on as the time goes, switched the position. So the market leader is Dow Jones. Dow Jones Industry is over 500 points earlier, but right now only, it reached 500 points again. So, okay, this is the general market. So what I'm seeing is the general market is healthy right now. I'm not worried about an immediate crash. The good thing is Nancy Pelosi, the Democrats, is initiating the $2.4 trillion stimulus package. As this stimulus package working through the Congress, this market will be stabilized and could go up in the year end. We may have a year end rally, and the September could be a technical correction. So the market can change though. What I'm predicting right now is just based on current condition. If, for example, the stimulus package stalled in the Congress, this market can roll back and have another hundreds points or 1,000 point flash crash again. So we have to be very, very careful and watch out for all the development. Now let me highlight a few stocks. Today you look at the stock. This stock I want to say is called Nvidia. Nvidia, we know it's a high-tech company. It's dominating the server chips, high-tech server AI chips, server chips, and also the graphic chips. Okay, this company initially is the king of a graphic GPU manufacturer. Now, the GPU revenue are already smaller than their server revenue, okay? So this, you see, after 2 days, Nvidia went up by open up higher, but is drifting lower for the day. It's a red. Over here is red. But you look at on the daily chart, this big cluster, after it reached the high from here, it collapsed, and then over here is doing the consolidating. So right now Nvidia is here. Would Nvidia continue to climb to reach the previous high here again? Very likely, because it's a great company. But as far as I say, based on my experience of reading those charts, I think Nvidia might not go up that quickly, okay? It's not a very steep line climbing. It might have some ups and downs here, but generally, we are expecting a higher high and higher low. So that's Nvidia. As market like Dow Jones up over 500 points, Nvidia is only gained like 92 cents, is less than 0.19% today. This is absurd, right? For a great company. Over here, it opened high to 525 in pre-market, and when the market opened about 524, it collapsed all the way down here, being sold off, and then doing all this consolidation. So during this time, is this good or bad? Consolidation is the time we don't need to be panicked. So some weak sellers can continue to sell these stocks. Some people have faith in this company like me will hold on to it or even buy new shares. So that's why consolidation is good. Let's go back to this stock. Over here is called a PayPal. Okay, PayPal stock. It's also making a sideways move. If you look at the minute chart for the entire day so far, it's already since 8:30 to 1:12 p.m. It didn't climb at all. But the thing is that it gained 2% through a gap up. Look at, let's switch back to the daily chart. You see, it reached the high, it reached the low, but you see today's low even higher than Friday's high. So in general, it's still in an uptrend. So it went up. Okay, this is a good sign. After it went up for 2%, it's also doing a consolidation. But for PayPal, this kind of company, after it does a consolidation, you never know. Tomorrow it may gap up again. So that's why the stock growth is has never been a linear regression line, steady line. It has a lot of jerky motion. Okay, it seesaws up and down, up and down. But we are looking for some higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend. Let's look at another stocks here. This company called Workhorse. Workhorse, after it opened, it kind of doing the consolidation. When it opened, is already a gap up open compared to last Friday. But after almost 2 hours going sideways over here, it pull up abruptly. Okay, so after it pull up, it's making sideways moves again. So some people over here say, well, I'm making 12.42% today. I need to exit. Some people say, wow, this company had a breakup. I'm going to hold this stock. So it might go up more the next couple of days. That's why it's doing the sideways moves. For me, I own this stock and I am holding on to it. I think this company has more growth. Okay, let's go back to the last stock I want to highlight today. This is also a very a very good topic, a hot topic in recent months in this entire year, called Tesla. The biggest thing today I like about is the Tesla has two news, right? Number one news is Elon Musk has confirmed by 2027, only about 7 years from now, Tesla will produce 20 million cars. And this will be exceeding all the current car manufacturers. Probably would be double what Toyota, GM, and Volkswagen they are producing on an annual basis. So Tesla, with this kind of gain, Tesla, look at the daily chart. You see, Tesla had a 1, 2 after the battery day, it collapsed for 2 days. The third day had a intraday reversal, actually up day, and Friday continued uptrend. Then it stuck at this overhead resistance. I was wondering maybe it would battle along this line for a few days, but amazingly Tesla pulled through, break above this overhead resistance line. Today is right at $418 now. It opened even higher, like $428. So after it opened, it lost $10. Lost $10. It looks like it's being pulled up and selling. It is, because if I'm an investor, I bought the stocks over here at $351. By now, it's already $418. I'm making $60 a share. That's great profit. I will sell it. And did I sell it? Personally, I didn't, because on this stock, I'm kind of a long-term investor. So I don't want to take this short-term profit at this moment. That's why Tesla, when the stock went up today, and you see a lot of selling. But even though it's been sold off the whole day after it gapped up, this stock is still have a higher high than Friday's high. You know, you want this stock, all the stock when you move up, to have a higher high and a higher lows. So you look at the mini chart. If you look at the mini chart, after you open at like a 428, okay, the pre-market pushed it gapped up and all the way pushed to 428 to open. After it opened, it dipped. Over here is a huge long dip. It dipped like what they call $20 here with this long line. But this is just the outlier data. It could be some fat finger arrow, or some option got executed at the agreed price. So we don't know. So we don't have to look at this one data point. But you look at the whole data here. All this data shows the Tesla went down after market opened, and then it went sideways. So sideways is called consolidation. That means there's a lot of people after 3 days again they are selling, and there are a lot of people say, "Well, you are selling, great. I'm gonna buy from you. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. I view this company will go up a whole lot more." That's why there are people buying, there are people selling. So to me, I think Tesla is still a great company at this moment to hold. Will I ever cash in on this stock? Yes. But right now, from daily chart standpoint, it hasn't reached a certain technical level. I will retreat. When it reaches certain technical level, Tesla will bounce downwardly. And at that time, before it collapses a little bit, I will pull out and then I'll wait for it to collapse and then buy it back. So this is Tesla. Okay, let's look at some. Earlier I said Tesla has two major news. One is by 2027 it will produce more than 20 million cars. The second one is Tesla signed up a contract for supply of lithium, and this lithium company, PLL, I think that's a symbol. The company stock went up 235% today, more than double twice, right? Because of the Tesla contract. This news helped the lithium miner, this company, stock surged a lot from like $15 to $35. And it also helped Tesla itself, even though Tesla today only gained 2.46%. But this means Tesla has a tremendous of confidence. They need a lot of raw material to build into batteries. To reach the goal of 2027, it will have it will have more than 20 million cars sold. So this kind of news, even though the stock hasn't moved much, in recent days Tesla could move more than 10% in one day. Today, I thought it would move more than 10%, but it didn't. So far, it hasn't moved that much. It doesn't mean it will not move that much. We will see it tomorrow or the next couple of days. Suddenly, Tesla will surge a lot. It could. It's very possible. So I'm waiting for that moment. So this finished today's market summary. And may you all have a great day, great trading. By the way, all the things I'm saying is my personal opinion for entertainment purpose only and as a reference, okay? As an investor, you need to do your own homework, do a lot of research, make your own independent decision. This is very important. Never follow any analyst. Some analysts will upgrade or downgrade stocks to help some market makers. And also never follow any individuals like me. And our opinion could be brilliant, could be disastrous, but you have to do your own research and be responsible for your own return of investment. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you like it, please subscribe and hit a like. Thank you. Appreciate it.